Hey, don't even bother watching this video. I'm sure you're not interested in a 69 Camaro, the Rally Sport, Super Sport, 396, 4-speed, gauges, deluxe houndstooth interior. It's been body off frame restoration. I'm sure that doesn't interest you, but if it does, stay tuned. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com to get pricing and specs on all of our cars, including this one. We have a few hundred on there to choose from. We also have shipping, financing, a whole bunch of ways to contact us. I have a staff of people working here. They're willing and able to help you get your dream car. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We got 10 or 12 videos on deck right now waiting to be posted. That's the best way to see them first. Let's take this Camaro for a spin. It's got about 55 miles on the body, off the frame restoration. It is beautiful underneath, just like what you see here on top. All clean floors, brake lines, fuel tank, the correct exhaust with the transverse muffler. Everything looks new. The U-joints, it's a correct Muncie trans. It's the original correct 373 posi rear end. Starter, the whole front suspension. All stock, but they did put four-wheel disc brakes on the car, so it's got disc in the back now too. Beautiful. Spoiler, bumper guards. The Rally Sports come with the reverse lights down below. That's the correct exhaust, so that's how the tips are supposed to look coming out the back. All the glass, actually that window looks new. Inside here, the speaker tray, the trim is excellent. There's no bumps under the vinyl, that's all nice. Exterior trim group, that's the louvers and all the extra trim. Door jambs are as pretty as the outside. Yeah, the latches and rubber and window seals are all done. It's got the hockey stick stripe, the SS wheels with the trim rings look like they're chrome plated, BF Goodrich tires. I will start it in a minute and demonstrate. The headlights open and close fine. The grills, all like new. Now this is a correct dated engine to the car. It's the 350 horse. Standard was 325, so that's the optional 350 horsepower. And again, everything's detailed down to the factory markings on the firewall, GM hoses, spring clamp battery cables, everything. The pulleys and hoses and all looks brand new under the hood. It has power steering and power brakes. I left the windows up. You can see how nice everything fits. Fits beautifully. Gorgeous. The deluxe interior has the molded fancy door panels. It's the houndstooth. According to the tag, it is a real hugger orange car with the black deluxe houndstooth interior. Trunk compartment. All clean metal. It's all been spatter painted real nice. Has a brand new matching tire, and the SS rim matches the rest. You can see this is all decked out, painted, got the decals, new weather strip. Inside the car is completely restored. It's got the correct seat belts, the factory gauge package, the console, the tachometer. Has a retro stereo that fits right in the hole. Got a remote and an auxiliary plug. It's got new heater controls, all the vents, everything I'm looking at looks brand new. Dash pad, and it all fits really nice. It's not just a bunch of new parts. Everything fits and was installed properly. Dash lights up real nice the way it's supposed to. You open the ashtray, it's got a clean ashtray with a matching cigarette lighter. Up above the visor, headliner, mirror is all done. Sounds real nice. It's a Southern car. Really clean metal throughout. Power steering box, the power steering hoses, the master cylinder. I mean, it all looks new. 54 miles on a body off frame restoration. Fantastic options, colors, and features. This is an incredible car. This is one you better go to the website quick if you are interested, because someone might beat you to it. So visit volocars.com to see this one and all the others we have. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep watching. Thank you.